Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you modeling of G+4 building with inverted V bracings by using Staad V8i software. So generally bracings are helpful for decreasing the seismic loading condition for the respected building. So in this video, I will explain you modeling part for the respected G+4 building. So for that, go to Staad software initially, click on Staad software. Click on new project here, click on spacing option, give the file name. Just I am assuming the file name is G+4V. So click on save your file location here. Just I am selecting file location to the inverted V, click on OK. So here we need to select the length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. So as per Indian standard system, click on next button. So here we need to select add beam command, click on finish button. The software will be open like this. So it will be consisting of 10 number of grids in horizontal direction and 10 number of grids in vertical direction. So initially we need to model G+4 building. So for that, go to geometry here, click on run structure wizard option. So here we need to select the model type. Just I'm selecting model type is frame models. So in the frame model, we need to select bay frames option. So here we need to give the values of the length, height as well as width of the building and number of bays along length direction, number of bays along height direction, number of bays along width direction. So just I am assuming length will be consisting of 15 meter. So again I am taking height will be consisting of 15 meter. So again I am taking width of the building is 9 meter. So here we need to assume the number of bays along length as 5 here, and I am assuming number of bays along height as 5, and again I am assuming number of bays along width is 3. Click on apply button. So this is my model of G+4 building. So it will be consisting of 15 meter length, 15 meter height and 9 meter width. So we need to import this respected model from structure wizard option to the Staad software. So for that, click on cancel option here, click on yes button, click on OK. Now the model is imported to Staad software now. So after that, click on hide snap node grid. So we need to keep the structure in 3D view. So for this respected building, we need to add the slab section at different stories. So for that, initially I will create slab section at ground story. So after that, I will copy the property of slab to the remaining 3 stories. So for that, initially keep the structure in front view. Go to cut section command. Click on selective view option. Click on OK. So here we need to cut the ground story for this respected building. So after that, keep your structure in 3D view. Now we need to add 4 node plate for this respected building. Select this 4 node plate option. Select the first point, select the second point, select third point, again select your fourth point. In the similar way, we need to add. So after that, we need to copy these respected plates in X direction. So select this respected plate cursor, select all the plates, go to transitional repeat in X direction. So here we need to assume the number of steps. This time assuming number of steps will be consisting of 4 here, and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will copy the plates to the respected X direction distance like this. So after that, click on hold structure command again. Again we need to select this respected plate cursor option. We need to select all the plates at the ground story. We need to copy this respected plates to the remaining 4 stories. For that, go to transitional repeat in Y direction. So here we need to assume number of steps will be 4 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will copy the plates to the remaining 4 stories. Now we need to see this respected model in rendering view. So for that, click on rendering view option. So this is my rendering view for this respected G+4 building. So after that, click on modeling option. So for this respected building, we need to add inverted V bracings. So for that, initially we need to create the node points at the center for this respected beam sections for the length direction as well as width direction for this respected building. So for that, click on top view option here, select the respected beams. This time selecting this horizontal direction beams. In the similar way, we need to select the vertical direction beams. So after that, click on 3D view. So we need to insert a node point at midsection for this respected selected beams. So for that, go to click on insert a node point. select add midpoint, click on OK. So it will add node point at the center for this respected beam sections. Now we need to add inverted V bracings for this respected building. So for that, select in front view option, go to cut section command, click on select view option, click on OK. So here we need to select this respected ground story. So click on 3D view. Now we need to add inverted V bracings for this respected ground story section. Select add beam command. So here we need to select first point, select second point, again select your first point, again select your second point. In the similar procedure, we need to add the inverted V bracings for the ground story for the remaining sections also. So here I am selecting add beam command, select the first point, select the second point, select first point, again select second point. In the similar way, we need to add inverted V bracings. So it was added the inverted V bracings for this respected ground story. So after that, click on whole structure command here. So we need to select this respected inverted V bracings initially. We need to copy this respected selected inverted V bracings to the remaining 4 stories. So select in front view option. So here we need to select inverted V by using control option. Again select in side view. So here we need to select inverted V. Again select 3D view option. Now we need to copy this respected inverted V bracings to the remaining 4 stories. Select transitional repeat option in Y direction. So here we need to give the number of steps. Just I am assuming it as 4 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will copy the respected inverted V bracings to the remaining sections. Now I will show you this respected model in rendering view. Click on rendering view option. So this is my rendering view for this respected building. It will be consisting of inverted V bracings for the respected length direction as well as width direction for this respected building. So after that, we need to add the properties for this respected building. Properties is nothing but this assigning the beam size, column size, slab size as well as bracing size for this respected building. So initially we need to define the dimensions of the beam, column as well as slab and inverted V bracings. So for that, go to general option here, select the property option, click on define option. So here we need to select the rectangular section. This time assuming beam size will be consisting of 0.4 cross 0.4. Click on add button. So after that, we need to assume column size. This time taking it as 0.5 cross 0.5. Click on add button. So after that, click on close option here. Again select the thickness option. So here we need to give the plate thickness. This time assuming it as 125 mm. Click on add button, close option. So after that, we need to define the dimensions for this respected inverted V bracings. So for that, go to select section database here. Click on section database. So it will open a section property profile like this. So here we need to select the Indian code. So from these respected sections, we need to select any one of the section. This time selecting angle section here. So here I am taking ISA 200 by 150 by 20 SD section. Click on add button, close option. So after that, select 0.4 by 0.4. We need to assign this respected property to the beams. So for that, go to select option here, beams parallel to X direction. Again go to select option, beams parallel to Z direction. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that, select the rectangular section of 0.5 by 0.5. Go to select option, beams parallel to Y direction. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that, select the plate thickness option by using assign to V option, assign yes. So after that, select the ISA angle. So go to select option, select by missing attribute. So here we need to select by missing property. So it will select all the inverted V bracings for this respected section. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that, we need to see this respected whole model in rendering view now. Click on rendering view option. So this is my rendering view for this respected G+4 building. It will be consisting of inverted V bracings for this respected building like this in length direction as well as width direction for this respected structure. So in my upcoming video, I will explain you analysis part as well as design part for this respected building which is subjected to wind load as well as earthquake load by using Staad Pro V8i software. Thank you.